Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best wire pumpkin frame on the market, the Ripeng 4 pieces large pumpkin wreath form metal wire frame. Perfect for anyone looking to add a handcrafted touch to their autumn or Thanksgiving decorations. This set offers a unique combination of durability, versatility, and style. Right out of the box, you receive 4 pumpkin-shaped wire frames, each measuring approximately 11.8 inches in height, 9.8 inches in width, and about 1.2 inches deep. This size strikes a great balance. Large enough to make a statement on your door or wall, yet compact enough to be easily manageable for crafting. The frames are made from sturdy steel metal, designed to hold up well against time and repeated use, which means they won't bend, rust, or lose their shape easily. One of the best things about these wire pumpkin frames is their design. Instead of being a solid form, the wire frame allows you to get creative with your decoration choices. The open spaces give you plenty of room to weave in various materials. Think holly leaves, berries, dried flowers, wooden beads, ribbons, or even seasonal nets. This flexibility is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who enjoys personalized holiday decor. You can easily customize each pumpkin wreath to match your specific style or color scheme, whether that's a rustic farmhouse look or a more modern autumn theme. The pumpkin shape itself is well crafted, it's smooth, elegant, and captures that classic fall harvest vibe. It's not just functional but visually appealing, helping set a warm and festive atmosphere for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or even other special occasions like Valentine's Day and New Year's. These frames don't just work for wreaths either. They can also be hung as decorative pendants on walls, windows, or bookshelves, offering multiple options to enhance your home's seasonal aesthetic. In terms of ease of use, the wire structure makes decorating straightforward. Because the frame is lightweight yet strong, it's simple to hang and move around. This makes it a practical choice for both indoor and outdoor use, depending on how you want to showcase your creations. The package includes 4 frames, giving you enough quantity to make several wreaths or gifts for family and friends. All in all, the Ripeng metal wire pumpkin frames provide a great foundation for fall decorating projects. They combine durability, ample crafting space, and an attractive design, making them a top pick for those who want to create their own unique holiday decorations. If you love DIY projects and want to add that perfect pumpkin touch to your autumn decor, these frames are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.